Excuse me, what time is it?
It's 8:45.
Oh no, I'm late for class.
Don't worry, it's just around the corner.
Really? That's good.
Do you study here too?
Yes, I do. What about you?
I work nearby.
I see. Do you take the bus?
Yes, bus number 10.
Me too. Maybe we'll meet again.
Sure. What's your name?
I'm Emma. And you?
I'm John. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
The bus is coming now.
Great. Let's get on.
After you.
Thank you. That's polite of you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, how much is this shirt?
It's $15.
Oh, it's nice. Do you have it in blue?
Yes, here's a blue one.
Perfect. Can I try it on?
Sure, the fitting room is right there.
Thanks. I'll be quick.
No problem, take your time.
It fits well.
It looks great on you.
Thank you. I'll take it.
Would you like to pay by cash or card?
By card, please.
Okay, please tap your card here.
Done?
Thank you. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Good morning, Anna. Did you sleep well?
Yes, Tom. I slept great. Thank you.
That's nice. Are you hungry?
A little. What's for breakfast?
Toast and scrambled eggs.
I love eggs.
Would you like some orange juice?
Yes, please. That's my favorite.
Here you go.
Thanks, Tom.
What are your plans for today?
I have homework, then dance class.
Oh, dance class. Sounds fun.
Yes, I love dancing. What about you?
I'm going to play football with friends.
That's cool. You love football, right?
Yes, it's my favorite sport.
Don't forget your water bottle.
I won't. Thanks for the reminder.
You're welcome, Tom.
Tom, can you help me with the laundry? Sure, what should I do?
Just put the clothes in the washing machine.
Okay, do I add soap too?
Yes, a small cup of detergent.
Got it. Now I press start?
Wait, check if the door is closed.
Oh, right. Now it's closed.
Great! Press the start button.
Done. It's washing now.
Thanks, Tom. You're learning.
I'm a laundry expert now.
Not yet. You still have to fold the clothes later.
Oh no, I don't like folding.
Don't worry, I'll help you.
That's nice of you.
We can listen to music while folding.
Good idea.
Let's clean together more often.
Deal.
I have a headache.
Oh no, you should see a doctor.
I think so too.
Let's go together. I'll come with you.
Thanks, Anna. That's kind of you.
Hello, doctor. My friend isn't feeling well.
Yes, I have a headache and a sore throat.
How long have you felt like this?
Since yesterday morning.
You might have a cold.
Is it serious, doctor?
No, just rest and drink water.
Okay, thank you.
Do you need any medicine? Yes, here's a prescription.
Thank you, doctor.
Come on, Tom. Let's go to the pharmacy.
Thanks for helping me, Anna.
Always, Tom. Friends help each other.
I'm so hungry, Anna.
Me too. Let's order something delicious.
What do you want to eat?
Maybe pasta. What about you?
I'll try pizza today.
Good choice.
Waiter? Hello? Are you ready to order?
Yes, one pasta, please.
And one pizza for me. Would you like something to drink?
Orange juice for me.
I'll have water, please. Great. Your food will be ready soon.
I love eating out with you.
Me too. The food here is always tasty.
Look, our food is coming.
Wow, it looks amazing.
Let's eat.
This pizza is so good.
And my pasta is perfect.
Tom, can you help me with shopping?
Sure. What do we need?
Milk, bread, eggs, and apples.
Okay, I'll get the bread.
Great, I'll take the milk.
Do we need vegetables too?
Yes, some tomatoes and potatoes.
Got it. What about snacks?
Maybe some chips.
Perfect. I love chips.
Let's go to the fruit section.
How many apples do we need?
4, please.
Done. Anything else?
That's all. Let's go to the counter.
Okay, I'll carry the basket.
Thanks, Tom. You're strong.
Haha, yes I am.
Shopping with you is fun.
Same here, Anna.